Hello all of you. Today the Marketing Tool channel is back to share with everyone. A support software on the TikTok platform helps us post videos to a series of TikTok channels. Everyone wants to post a video to a TikTok channel. Doing it manually is very simple. But what if everyone has 100 or 1000 TikTok accounts? Posting videos to all channels takes a lot of time. Today I introduce to everyone a TikTok software. Help me with automatic video posting. This is a software installed on the computer. The mechanism of action is to use your TikTok account to select the videos you want. You will need to buy a 1-year license or a lifetime license to use it. When you buy, you can contact me directly. WhatsApp 849-8999-0368 or Telegram at HOANGTRUNG748. I will guide everyone to install and use, so people can post videos to all channels. I went to the viral marketing section, then I chose to upload the video. Everyone only needs to install the basic parameters. You only need to install it once. In future operations the software will automatically remember these parameters. Next I choose video. I go to the folder containing the video to select it. For example, I choose this folder. There are many videos in here. Please choose any video. Or you can choose multiple videos, then save. The number of videos you selected is displayed here. Just a little more installation. The waiting time for videos to load is from 10 to 15 seconds. If people need a hashtag, I enter the hashtag here. In case people want to tag the video, please choose here. After I finished installing, I selected an active account. Here I select all existing accounts. Once the installation steps are complete, click Start to begin. Everyone, please see the results, and when entering the software starts working, it will log into each person's TikTok account to post videos from the source you have selected. It's posted on each account for everyone to see. Once an account has completed all your requirements, the software will automatically switch to the next account. In addition to the above features, the software has many other features that can support everyone very well for the platform, and TikTok operation is very simple. When purchasing, installation and usage instructions will be provided. You can contact me directly. WhatsApp 849-8999-0368 or Telegram at HOANGTRUNG748. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hello and see you again in the next videos.